Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to talk about something we all deal with. Those pesky, stubborn, negative thoughts. You know the ones I'm talking about. The little voices that whisper doubt, fear, and worry, trying to convince you that you're not good enough or that things will never get better. It's like having a storm cloud following you around, even on a sunny day. And here's a truth that might surprise you. You can't just snap your fingers and make them disappear. If you've ever tried to just stop thinking negatively, you know it's like trying to hold back the ocean with a bucket. The more you fight it, the stronger the tide seems to get. It's exhausting, and it often leaves you feeling even more frustrated than when you started. So what do? Do we just surrender and let these thoughts take over? Absolutely not. The secret isn't about waging an all-out war against your own mind. It's about changing the landscape. Instead of trying to drain the swamp, let's start planting a garden. Think about it this way. Your mind is a space. Right now it might feel cluttered with negativity. The solution isn't to violently throw everything out at once. The solution is to start bringing in beautiful things one by one. Let's start to consciously, intentionally satisfy ourselves with good things. What does that look like in real life? It starts small. It's the warmth of the first sip of coffee in the morning. It's the feeling of sunshine on your skin. It's a song that makes you want to dance in your kitchen. It's a genuine compliment you give to a stranger and the smile you get in return. These are small, positive thoughts and experiences. They might seem insignificant, but each one is a seed. You plant a seed of gratitude. You plant a seed of kindness. You plant a seed of self-compassion. At first, you might not see much of a difference. The weeds of negativity are still there, trying to choke out your new sprouts. This is where the next crucial ingredient comes in: patience. Gardening teaches us that growth is not instantaneous. You don't plant a seed today and expect a towering tree tomorrow. It requires consistent care. It requires watering, sunlight, and time. Your mental garden is no different. You have to be patient with yourself and the process. There will be days when the weeds seem to be winning. That's okay. It's part of the journey. And this brings us to hard work. Yes, cultivating a positive mindset is work. It's the conscious effort to shift your focus. When a negative thought pops up, and it will, you don't have to wrestle with it. You can simply acknowledge it. There's that thought again. I see you. And then, you gently redirect your attention back to your garden. What good thing can you focus on right now? What positive action can you take? Maybe it's taking 5 deep breaths. Maybe it's stepping outside for a minute. Maybe it's writing down one thing you're proud of. This is the hard work part. It's the daily practice of tending to your mental space, of choosing where you place your energy. It's not glamorous, but it is powerful. And what fuels this patience and hard work? Hope. Hope is the sunlight for your garden, or it's the belief that your efforts will pay off, that the seeds you're planting will eventually grow and blossom. Hope is trusting that time is on your side. Time is a remarkable force. It has a way of sorting things out, of healing and transforming. Think about a glass of muddy water. If you shake it, the dirt swirls everywhere, and you can't see through it. But if you let it sit still, with time, the sediment slowly settles to the bottom. The water becomes clear again. Those negative thoughts, the anxieties, the old pains, they're like the mud in that water. When we constantly fight them and stir them up, our mind stays cloudy. But with patience, with hope, and with the gentle, steady work of adding positive things to our lives, time allows the unnecessary things to settle. The things that don't need to be there, the emotional residue that clouds our vision, will eventually drift down and become part of the past. It's not that they vanish completely, but they no longer obscure the light. They lose their power over you. Eventually, you'll look back and realize that something that once consumed your every waking moment now feels distant, like it happened in another lifetime. Time, combined with your conscious effort, makes things that don't need to spill out of you feel like they were never even there. It's a quiet, subtle magic. This leads to the ultimate goal: true, lasting peace. Many people think peace comes from strength, from being powerful enough to conquer all our problems and defeat all our inner demons. But that's a constant battle. True peace doesn't come from a big, dramatic victory. It comes from small, steady, and honest changes. It's the honesty of admitting you're having a tough day and then doing something small and kind for yourself anyway. It's the steadiness of your daily practice, even when you don't feel like it. It's the accumulation of all those small choices, choosing a walk over worrying, choosing gratitude over grievance, choosing self-compassion over self-criticism. Each small, positive step creates a ripple. And over time, those ripples create a wave of change that reshapes your entire inner world. You build a foundation of peace not on the shifting sands of external circumstances, but on the solid rock of your own consistent, gentle effort. So, let's stop trying to fight the darkness head on. Let's start by lighting a candle, and then another, and another. Start to satisfy yourself with good things. Nurture positive thoughts. Be patient. Do the work. Hold on to hope. And trust in time. Your peace is not a destination to be conquered. It's a garden to be cultivated, one beautiful seed at a time. Thank you so much for spending this time with me today. I hope this was helpful. If it resonated with you, please consider giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing to the channel for more conversations like this. It really helps us grow. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one.